reduce for the power consumption, how to reducing for the vibrations, how to make for a aesthetics user friendly, how to avoiding for the lot of unwanted fasteners, unwanted materials, and user friendly, how to zero defect, achieving zero defects, and how to move the product easily for rechangeable for anything, and how to maintain for a long run. It means for the reliability, zero defects, trouble-free performance in the field. So this is what the mostly all group of engineers around for the some factory having a big MNC company having 120, 150 R&D teams are working for all electrical, mechanical, have ECE and textiles, civil, all disciplines. Each discipline having for their own functional fundamentals requirements. So R&D is always for the fundamental, but also for the first step. So they're working for a future. Everything is they are not touching for existing. They are moving for the future growth and the future problems and everything. Certain having certain factory having for they are also considering for the existing product. That name is most probably for engineering process engineers or for a product engineer group they are moving. The R&D is mostly they are concentrated for anything, everything is a new only. New process. Everything is the same, but process is changing. For example, one output for getting for A to B, final output is for only for the 20 minutes or 25 minutes. Now I am getting for deciding to change for the 10 minutes, 15 minutes saving. Finally, everybody is 50 minutes is saving, and my output is increasing. So automatically output is increasing, a more productivity, same people getting for more productivity, finally lead for the positive profit. It is favorable of the organizations. So new process. And also certain process for the pedicure, lot of rejections and rework. You know, for the tendency of the manual job is always for the per morning 8 o'clock, everybody is fresh. The output is a very good output, no rejection and rework. The same person, same machine, same everything is the same. Only the time is changed. After the 7 hours is over, only for 4 o'clock. This mostly for some rework and rejection, the quality is less because of the pedicure. The morning 8 o'clock is a good freshness. Evening for 4:30, before for 4 o'clock. 7 hours is after 7 hours. They have some physical pedicure. So because they are not for a robot. So here find out for the wherever for the high manual hiring material or pedicure manual concentration using some small robo, small kind of for the jigs and fixers, small kind of for the for pick and places, using for the small cranes automatically and small travelers, one area to another area. So this is all for the process. The operators only they are identified and they are watching the products and for certain, but they are not for carrying the product and wait for it. Their physical presence is for avoiding for or minimizing for the physical presence. What is the advantages? What is the production and morning fresh 8 o'clock? The same production, same quality, same safety norms you are getting at the given 4:30. 24 hours is the consistency. You are maintaining for the consistency, your rework and rejection, everything is minimized. Everything is at zero level. Material saving, manpower saving, productivity increasing. This is also finally lead to profit. So this area also the engineers are for the new process, automation process. People are and opportunities are very high opportunities. Even at a factory, recruited the people for the process engineers designation and asking to change for the process. Your job is for the change the process, change innovation process. Even use your knowledges, use your product, new innovation technology, completely change for the process. Process means not for the raw material everything, only the conversion process, manual usages, even for the old machine, everything is a change. But this is also result for the finally the word is for increasing productivity with a zero defect and increasing safety norms. This is the two parameters are very important for any kind of the innovations. New product. Some organization recruited for the engineers and placing for the NPT, new product development. The department name is for NPT. This is a fundamentally roles and responsibility. You are moving for a new product. For example, for a one electric vehicle charging company joining for that, the job is allotted for the bad design of the battery for the weight and for the ampere hour efficiency is increasing and the cost is minimized. This is one task. This is one new product. Some people are working for all the multidisciplinary engineers. This is a new product department. The next is come for the new materials. Process is the same, material is the same, everything is the same. Sorry, process is the same, product is the same. Here, only for the change the material. What is the purpose of the new material innovations? I already told it. It's a two. One is for the cost. Another one is for the power consumption. My weight of the product reduced, some kind of the power saving is possible. Number one. Number two, my weight of the product is come down. I have some savings in the material weight content. For example, cast iron, CRCS seat, cold rolled cold adhesive seat, for anything, I am converted to the plastics completely. The cost of the material and for the weight of the material, and finally for the light of the material due to saving of electricity, finally it is advantages, handling and everything. For one of the example, not the bearing is also now for converted to plastics. You know for the how the plastic technology is today is for the comparatively for the last 20 years before today, how much all the materials are in the plastics, because this is the material development, new material development, new methods. New method means process is the same, product is the same, material is everything is the same. So you find out for the various methods. A, B, C, finally get to for D. Like how can you use for your engineering excellency to, I am using for A and C, B is eliminated, or the B operation take care for and A. I minimize the operations. I minimizes the lengthy process. Accordingly, the innovation of the business find out, or something is the small arrangements. The method is I am identified. Lost for the 10 machines producing, finally I'm getting for the one output. I am eliminated for the two machines. I am getting for the same output. 8 machines only. Two machines are not. So the cycle time is reduced. Two machines energy savings, sorry, energy cost is reduced, and process time is reduced. The people also reduced. Finally, for the new methods, I am saving for the fireman two machines, at least for the 500 kilowatt hours saved. So finally, advantages. These all are for the productivity increase, profit increase. Then you decide automatically you want for the good markets there. You decided to your selling prices also you reduce it because you already gained. You are nothing your hands are. So you have the saving of the money. You are passed to your customer. You are passed to your people. So automatically your product sales, your sales are increasing. This is one kind of the new methods using. And for here for the new technology, completely changed technology. For example, for the those days for electricity produced for only for the hydroelectric station, thermal and nuclear. This three. Then slowly for the biomass, geothermal. Of course, this is not practically not much yield results. In those days, we never be imaging for the wind energy and for the solar power and the battery cells, cell energy. We never find battery management storage. But today, how much windmill, even for the large megawatt, the solar panels, and for next one is for the storage of the cells energy. This all for the new technologies. The output is for the conversion of the one energy to electric energy. Finally, we want for electrical energy. But the method is for the water conversion to kinetic energy, convert to mechanical energy. Mechanical energy, electrical energy is for hydro station. Thermal energy convert to electric station. Everything. What wind energy? Of course, the methodology of the motor, everything is the same. But of course, for the primary sources, the raw material is the wind and the sun. So this is for the new technology. For the output is the same electricity. And another one is for the people care is the word of the quality and safety. Here for the most of the organization, always there the people are working behind always for the quality norms and safety norms. Here for the interest, not only interested for the profit and productivity, user friendly by people using. For example, for the lot of today is for the lot of our semiconductor using. It is polluted, producing for a lot of harmonics are there. Particularly for the turbulent harmonics are it is polluting a lot of other unwanted disturbance of the sine wave. Sometimes for the some components also failed, sometimes process also disturbances and a lot of problems. So we add some active and passive filter wherever necessary. So before introducing for the product, this is the lack of quality. This is comes. So the how much of the filters, where it is incorporated in the filter, which type of the filters, how to suppression, mitigation of the harmonics. Everything is identified and accordingly the for the protection of the devices are incorporated. And another one is for the safety. All electrical component goes to for the old area, which educated people are using, and also for the illiterate people using in and around for the all the geographical language. China is producing for one cell phone. Chinese people are assembled for all the chips, everything. Today using for all over world, all the people are using. So at least they are encountered for the what are the safety norms, not only cell phone, all the business all. So they are minding for not only for the profit, at least the basic safety norms according to the life of the product. So this area also lot of for the engineers are recruited and they are appointing for this area. Another one is for the cost optimization, cost reductions. The word is the cost reduction. Cost reduction is always very important for any organization. The other fundamental parameters for the next path, move for the next path. Then only for organization will continue, people will continue, people will get for the good salary and other purposes, and also for the user also getting for the reasonable product cost and everything. So that's say for keep on cost reductions. Why cost reductions? Always those days the material cost is come down, energy cost is come down, salaries come down. So that's say the product cost is X2 after the last 3 years, all costs are increasing. Energy cost is increasing, material cost is increasing, labor cost is increasing, conversion cost is increasing. Everything is in logistics cost is increasing. Automatically, product cost increasing, but not possible to increasing the product selling price because the very competitive edge market. If the product cost is increasing, we lose the market. Then what is it? Only reducing the for the product cost. How to reduce the cost? Using for the all the above innovations. Change the material, change the light, change the weight of the material, change the process methods, how to manual production converted for this to small automation, semi-automation, finally for achieving for the cost. So cost optimization, cost reductions is the important for that. Next one is reach to all. Reach to all is saying my product, what I am producing the product is product applicable for all the people. It's not only for the high class people, I mean the high economical people. It is moved to top to bottom. So accordingly, for example, BMW car, one car is for 55 lakhs car is available. Another one is for the 25 lakhs of the car available. Even for, of course, BMW car, other branded car is available for the 5 lakhs. Even for the nano car is available for 1.5 lakhs. It means, may the brand is changed, may the cost is changed, the brand, some infrastructure is lagging or leading, but as a car is a car. Suppose 1.5 lakhs I am buying, I move, my car is the road, two people stop, it is possible. But I want for the 35 lakhs of the car, you can buy for the 35, spend the 35 lakhs of the car, you can, your own crore is possible. So the train depend on for their ability, depend on for the infrastructures, may plus or minus are there. But for the basic thing, car is a car. So there's a reach to all possible. So this all for the steps of the opportunity. But I mean this all for the career opportunity engineers for each department. But of course, for example, for the how we can, this is okay, this is general. For the specific, what all how we can achieve for that. For example, for the electronic engineers are there. No doubt today and tomorrow for semiconductors and for all the electronics. Even those days is the power is the power. Today is a completely power switch on, switch off is based on for the electronic devices. Everybody is aware. So real triple E's are there here. Electronics, without electronics, today is no electrical. Without electrical, today is no electronics. So both are for interrelated. Here for gaining electrical product you are manufacturing or for servicing or for under usage. It is for this power semiconductor device. It is somewhat for a harmonics of that. Voltage harmonics, current harmonics. Of course, these harmonics are rarely affected, sometimes not affected, based on for the severity of the product. But recommended harmonics range is for the less than 6% as per IEEE norms. So here our job is for we can my product how to mitigate the harmonics. Creating for a good filters, active filter and passive filter. I am only manufacturing using my knowledge for a filter. So say I say my filter is for the less than 6% of the harmonics.